Hello guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make the effects of light passing through skin, flesh or an object per se. So when the light source is warm, there's usually a reddish tint at the edge of the shadow. That I'm going to show you how to do on Ibis Paint. I will make a Photoshop tutorial on how to do this later, but it's all the same technique. It actually isn't that hard. First, you color pick the color of the skin, adjust the hue towards red, increase the saturation a bit. You click the layer tool, the multiply layer before. Make sure the layer is normal, and you start coloring at the edge. And that's all. You get the effect. Please remember to like and subscribe the video if it seemed useful to you. See you next time.